Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Canva to LinkedIn at 2026. So the Canva's content planner allows you to connect LinkedIn personal profiles and company pages for direct publication and scheduling. So at first you will need just to log in to canva.com with your account and open or create a design you want to post. So for example, we will use that design just like, or that template just like an example. So here I do really want you to go ahead with your mouse and click on the share button that's located on the top right corner. And after that, just go ahead and click on schedule. So that's option require the Canvas Pro and Teams as well. Okay, so once you click it, you will be able to click on an option. It says add social accounts. Click it and then just look for LinkedIn and then sign in with your LinkedIn account. Okay, then just authorize Canva to post and manage content and choose whether to post to your personal profile or a LinkedIn company page, and then just add captions, hashtags, and schedule date and time. Then just click on schedule, and once connected you can schedule LinkedIn posts like images, documents, PDFs, and short videos, and post directly to a company page and reuse templates for multiple posts as well. So LinkedIn personal profiles allows posting, but some advanced scheduling features are only available for pages. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.